Here I've got LeEco Le S3 and let me show you how to activate LED notifications on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display. Then you should scroll down a bit, locate and open LED notification light. And here you can activate notification for phone calls, messages, emails and others, so it's up to you. Let me activate it for emails, messages and phone calls. So from now on, anytime phone will call, anytime I will receive a message or an email, then LED notification will remind me about it. So it will be more visible and you will definitely not miss it. So that would be all. This is how you can activate flash notifications in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.